The Southeast Security Products Interactive Pricebook is an incredibly useful tool for security integrators to stay current on our newest products and pricing. Hi, my name is Roy Nilsson with Southeast Security Products, and as a subscriber, you will automatically receive notifications of the newest edition of any price book is posted. Simply copy the URL once and add it to your favorites on your smartphone, PC, or tablet, and you'll always have the latest edition. Once opened, our line card serves as a table of contents. Simply click on any one of our representative brands, go to that page specifically where you'll see the pricing. Our prices are listed in MSRP, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a suggested dealer code. In this case, it's 0.5 or 50% off, making the math simple. You can simply see what your ballpark pricing would be. Of course, contact your distributor for specific pricing. To go back to the table of contents, simply click on the logo and go back to the home page. In addition, there's a search feature within the document itself. Simply open up the search, start typing in a part number, and it will automatically start going to that page and bring out the part numbers as you type them in. And there you can see your pricing and descriptions for your products that you're looking for. Super easy to use, very useful tool, and great way to put projects together. You can always contact your local Southeast Security Products representative for more information. And thanks for watching.